Welcome to my channel Deciles and Percentiles. Deciles are partition values which divides the distribution or area under a frequency curve into 10 equal parts at 9 points, namely D1, D2, D3, etc. D9. Percentiles are partition values which divides the distribution into 100 equal parts at 99 points, namely P1, P2, etc. P9. Percentiles is a very useful measure in education and psychology. Kelly's measure of skewness is based on percentiles. Deciles and percentiles can be calculated as follows. Di is equal to Li plus I n by 10 minus m divided by f into c, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 9. Then percentiles Pi is equal to Li plus I n by 100 minus m divided by f into c, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 99. My channel. Yesterday we have discussed about partition values, deciles and percentiles. We had to do one problem. Calculate Q1, Q2, Q3, D4, D7, P30, P65 for the following data. Class interval 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79. Corresponding frequencies 4, 6, two more classes 80 to 89, 90 to 99. Then frequencies 4, 6, 15, 22, 35, 48, 30, 20, 12 and 8. You have to make a column classes corresponding frequencies. Then here given that 0 to 9 and 10 to 90, like that class, we had to make actual class. So we take 0.5 to 9.5, 9.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 29.5, like that. Then corresponding CF, cumulative frequency, also we have to calculate first 4, then 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, 10 plus 15 is equal to 25, 25 plus 22 is equal to 47, 47 plus 35 is equal to 82, 82 plus 48 is equal to 130, 130 plus 30 is equal to 160, 160 plus 12, 20 is equal to 180, 180 plus 12 is equal to 192, 192 plus 8 is equal to 200. Therefore, that is capital N. We had to find Q1, Q2, Q3. First, we had the equation Q1 is equal to L1 plus N by 4 minus M divided by F into C. Here, N is equal to 200. So, N by 4 is equal to 200 divided by 4 is equal to 50. Therefore, our Q1 class is cumulative frequency up to the 50. The 50 less, so we take 82. Then L1 is equal to 39.5. Then M is equal to 47. And the to cumulative frequency. Then corresponding frequency is F35. Then we had to substitute these values in the equation. L1 plus N by 4 minus M divided by F into C is equal to 39.5 plus 50 minus 47 divided by 35 into 10, which is equal to 39.5 plus 30 by 35 is equal to 39.5 plus 0.875 is equal to 40 plus 357. Then we had to find Q2. Q2 is the median for L2 plus N by 2 minus M divided by F into C. Then N is equal to 200, N by 2 is equal to 100, divided by 2 is equal to 100. So Q2 class 100 ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ 100 അല്ല 100-നേക്കാൾ തൊട്ട് മേലെയുള്ള ക്യൂമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി ഉള്ള അതിൻ്റെ കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ക്ലാസ് ലെവൽ, അതാണ് Q2 ക്ലാസ്. അതിൻ്റെ ലോവർ ലിമിറ്റ് L2, അതിന് തൊട്ട് മേലുള്ളത് M82, then corresponding frequency F. Then L2 is equal to 49.5. Then we had to substitute these values in the equation. 49.5 plus 100 minus 82 divided by 48 into 10 is equal to 49.5 plus 180 divided by 48 is equal to 49.5 plus 3.75 is equal to 53.25. Q3 is equal to, we have the equation L3 plus 3n by 4 minus m divided by f into c, which is equal to 3n by 4 is equal to 3 into 200 divided by 4 is equal to 3 into 50 is equal to 150. 150-നേക്കാളും തൊട്ട് കൂടുതലുള്ള ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസിയുള്ള ക്ലാസ് തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കുക, അതാണ് Q3. അതിൻ്റെ ലോവർ ലിമിറ്റ് L3 which is equal to 59.5. ദെൻ അതിൻ്റെ തൊട്ട് മുകളിലുള്ള ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി M, കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി F. Substituting these values in the equation, 59.5 plus 150 minus 130 divided by 30 into 10 is equal to 59.5 plus 20 by 30 into 10 is equal to 59.5 plus 6.67 is equal to 66.17. Then deciles D4 and D7. We have the equation Di is equal to Li plus In by 10 minus m divided by f into c. Then is equal to 1 to etc. up to 9. Here we want D4. Then D4 is equal to L4 plus 4n by 10 minus m divided by f into c. 4n by 10 is equal to 4 into 200 divided by 10 is equal to 80. Then L4 is equal to the corresponding cumulative frequency. ഇതിനേക്കാളും തൊട്ട് മുകളിലുള്ള cumulative frequency corresponding ക്ലാസ് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. അതിൻ്റെ ലോവർ ലിമിറ്റ് L4 39.5. ദെൻ അതിൻ്റെ തൊട്ട് മുകളിലുള്ള ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി M, കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി F. സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ടിങ് ദീസ് വാല്യൂസ് ഇൻ ദി ഇക്വേഷൻ 39.5 plus 80 minus 47 divided by 35 into 10 is equal to 39.5 plus 33 by 35 into 10 is equal to 39.5 plus 9.43 is equal to 48.93. Similarly, D7 is equal to L7 plus 7n by 10 minus m divided by f into c. 7n by 10 is equal to 7 into 200 divided by 10 is equal to 140. 140-നേക്കാളും തൊട്ട് കൂടുതലുള്ള CF അതിൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. അതിൻ്റെ ലോവർ ലിമിറ്റ് L7 59.5. അതിൻ്റെ തൊട്ട് മുകളിലേക്ക് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി M 130. ദെൻ corresponding frequency F 30. Substituting these values in this equation, D7 is equal to 59.5 plus 140 minus 130 divided by 30 into 10 is equal to 59.5 plus 3.33 is equal to 62.83. Have the equation Pi is equal to Li plus In by 100 minus m divided by f into c. Here we have to find P30 and P65. For I is equal to 30. Therefore, P30 is equal to L30 plus 30n divided by 100 minus m divided by f into c. 30n by 100 is equal, here n is equal to 100, then 30 into 200 divided by 100 is equal to 60. So we have to find the L30 60 ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി വരുന്ന 60 അല്ല അതിൻ്റെ കൂടുതൽ ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി വരുന്ന ക്ലാസ് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്ത് അതാണ് P30. അതിൻ്റെ P30 ക്ലാസ് അതിൻ്റെ ലോവർ ലിമിറ്റ് L30, ദറ്റ് ഈസ് 39.5. അതിൻ്റെ തൊട്ട് മുകളിലെ ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി 47, കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി F 35, then C is equal to 10. Substituting these values in this equation, P30 is equal to L30 plus 30 and divided by 100 minus m divided by f into c, which is equal to 39.5 plus 60 minus 47 divided by 35 into 10 which is equal to 39.5 plus 130 divided by 35, which is equal to 39.5 plus 3.71 is equal to 43.21. Then we have to find P65. P65 is equal to L65 plus 65 into n divided by 100 minus m divided by f into c. Here 65n divided by 100 is equal to 65 into 200 divided by 100 is equal to 130. Here also we have to find L65. 130 cumulative frequency ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് കോളല്ലേ ഇതിന് തൊട്ട് മുകളിലുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ 130 ആയിട്ടുള്ള cumulative frequency വരുന്ന അതിൻ്റെ corresponding ക്ലാസ്സിൻ്റെ ലോവർ ലിമിറ്റ് 49.5. അതിൻ്റെ തൊട്ട് മുകളിലുള്ള ഫ്രീക്വൻസി cumulative frequency അതിൻ്റെ corresponding F 48 and C is equal to 10, which is equal to 49. Substituting these values in this equation, which is equal to 49.5 plus 130 minus 82 divided by 48 into 10. 130 minus 82 is equal to 48, therefore which is equal to 49.5 plus 48 by 48 into 10 is equal to 49.5 plus 10 is equal to 59.5. Thank you for watching. Next, quartiles grouped and grouped frequency ungrouped and grouped frequency distribution. Quartiles for ungrouped, which is Q1 is equal to n plus 1 by 4th observation, Q2 is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation, Q3 is equal to 3 by 4 n plus 1th observation. Grouped frequency distribution, Q1 is equal to value of variable x corresponding less than CF n plus 1 by 4th observation. Here find Q1, Q2, Q3 for the following observation: 21, 54, 4, 37, 10, 92, 78, 45, 34, 62, 28 and 34. Solution: arrange in ascending order. Given observation arrange in ascending order: 4, 10, 21, 28, 34, 37, 45, 54, 62 and 78 and 92. Here n is equal to 11. Q1 is equal to n plus 1 by 4th observation, which is equal to n is equal to 11. 11 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 12 by 4 is equal to third observation, that is 21. Then Q2 is equal to n plus 2th observation, n plus 1 by 2th observation. Here n is equal to 11. 11 plus 1 by 2th observation is equal to 6th observation is equal to 37. Q3 is equal to 3 by 4 n plus 1 the observation, which is equal to 3 by 4 into n. 11 plus 1 the observation is equal to 9th observation, which is equal to 62. And Q3, here given observation 120, 130, 140, 110, 160, 150, 190, 180, 170 and 200. Arrange in ascending order: 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. Here n is equal to 10. Q1 is equal to n plus 1 by 4th observation, which is equal to 10 plus 1 by 4th observation is equal to 2.75. Here Q1 is equal to second term. Here the 2.75. Therefore, we had to take Q1 is equal to second term plus 0.75 into 2.75 lies between 2 and 3. Therefore, third observation minus second observation. Therefore, Q1 is equal to second term plus 0.75 into third observation minus second observation, which is equal to 120. Second observation 120 plus 0.75 into 130 minus 120 is equal to 120 plus 7 5, which is equal to 127.5. Like that, Q3 is equal to 3n by 4 n 3n plus 1 by 4th observation, which is equal to 3 into 10 plus 1 by 4th observation is equal to 3 into 2.75 is equal to 8.25. Q3 is equal to 8th term 8th observation plus 0.25 into 8.25 lies between 9 and 8. Therefore, 9th observation minus 8th observation, which is equal to 180 plus 0.25 into 190 minus 180, which is equal to 182.5.